all of us should aim to achieve the highest standards of battle. Anything less is not acceptable. So today, prepare yourselves, for we are going to implement a critical test.
The Voltes 5 team shall openly attack the camp as though they are Bosanians. At magka-counterattack naman ng camp na parang totoong alien invaders ang Voltes 5. We will be using live ammunitions. Turn off safety protocols. At susubukin ng drill na ito ang husay ng Voltes 5 at ang Camping Falcon's strategy for defense. Are there any questions?
No safety protocols? So pag tinamaan kami, game over?
Live ammunition niya. Kaboom! We're dead.
I hope Jamie gets hit.
Team, this drill will help us prepare ourselves in case of an actual Bosanian attack. That's why all of us should do our best.
Yes, sir!
We are ready.
Everyone, prepare for live weapons drill. To your stations!
Let's go.
Eka, pero hindi lang to simpleng drill, ah.
O tapos? So wala kang tiwala sa training mo simula ng mga bata pa tayo? Ha?
Wala akong masyadong training, kuya.
Guys, we got this. Natalo na nga natin yung kalaban, di ba? Nagawa na natin to tapos dito matatakot pa tayo?
Anong laging sinasabi ni Mama? Be brave! Be strong!
Be brave! Be strong!
Attention everyone, this is a live exercise with live ammunition. Let's see what these kids can do.
Attention, all machines launch correctly. Launch operations on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Voltes team is away!
Voltes team, prepare to engage. Here we go.
Begin exercise.
Ibang klase talaga yung Camping Falcon, no?
Ko ata kayong atakihin at sirain itong gawa ni Papa.
Me too. Huwag na lang kaya natin to gawin, Kuya Steve. Balik na tayo.
Yo guys, let's be serious. Kahit drill lang to, hindi lang tayo papatawarin.
Let's show them no mercy. Diba this is what they want? Then let's give it to them.
Alam nyo na gagawin nyo. Let the battle begin.
Roger!
Attack pattern Delta.
Attack commencing. Watch out, guys.
Woo!
Dito dyan! Focus!
Deploy countermeasures!
job, Voltes team.
Kala ninyo may isaan nyo kami, ha?
Tingnan nga natin ang galing nila. Launch Falcon missiles. Full spread.
Happy New Year, guys! Skyrocket!
Lander Shuriken!
Good job, Jamie. Good job.
Lieutenant Robinson. Tik na ako dun ah. Woo! Magalit nila ako. Tara.
Dito nanggagaling ang kakaibang enerhiyang sinasabi ko sa inyo, Prinsipe Santos.
General Draco, umpisahan ang pag-atake.
Red alert.
Nakaisa sa atin ng Voltes team.
Nice! Sino na direct hit sa inyo sa cap?
Not me.
Ako! Lalo na ako.
Kung hindi isa sa atin, kayo nagaling yun.
Wait.
Team, report to Deck 1.
It didn't come from them.
Brazilian energy signature confirmed!
The Brazilians are back.
All crew to battle station.
Battle stations, everyone.
Aye, aye, sir. CBF defense protocol activated.
Tactical station reports ready.
Engineering station ready. Medical and life support reports ready. Command.
Alert. Intruder alert.
It's a beast fighter.
Beast Fighter? Na naman?
Talagang tinaon nila na nagtitraining tayo.
Just hold on, Commander Robinson. Kami na ang bahala.
Guys, this is it. This is the real thing, okay? Roger!